Career Services is an office on campus that supports students with their career development. It's really important for a student to take advantage of Career Services because we are a great resource for students. We offer a number of services that help them. We offer resume review and writing. We also offer services to help students find jobs and internships. And additionally, we help students get prepared for interviews, and we help students coach through networking with employers. We have career fair orientations that prepare students for career fairs and other career events. We also do career panels and a number of other events that help prep students for their careers. But not only that, we get students connected with employers in their career fields, which is very important. A lot of the career events that we have on campus really help students, and we are primarily a resource to get them connected to those employers. We want to make sure that students get connected with our office the moment that they step foot on campus. We really want to make sure that they get connected with internships, which will help lead them into their careers.